Good morning, Voyagers. We're going to have our announcements real quick this morning. Today is the 11th of February, 2019. High today is 33 degrees. Low tonight, 25. 100% chance of rain, snow, nastiness tonight. So we'll see what happens for tomorrow. Our PBIS focus this week is the bathroom. We need to be safe. That means we're keeping our hands and feet to ourselves. We are reporting all problems to our teacher. Being responsible means that we're using and flushing the toilets, washing our hands and drying them. In voice level 1, washing and drying your hands is the number one thing to keep you healthy and not get sick, especially right now during flu season. Being respectful, allow other people their privacy. Don't get in other people's business while they're going to the bathroom. That's gross. Take turns and be quick, kind of like how I'm talking today. Faculty meeting tomorrow, 3:45. BLT is going to meet at 3:35 today. NWA testing window is open through this Thursday. Lunch today, we're looking at mini corn dogs, baked beans, Mojicon, potato-shaped scrapes. Hopefully there's some crunchy baby carrots in there. Tomorrow we're looking at home-style beefaroni, garlic toast, whole kernel corn, Michigan apples, and crunchy baby carrots. Special announcements are Martin Luther King Jr. celebration is rescheduled for this Thursday, which is the 13th, also at 8:30 in the morning. Chess club is right after school today. And then we have a change to our PBIS student leadership team. So our third grade group today is going to be your PBIS leadership team, not tomorrow. So that is a change, so that we can meet with some teachers tomorrow during your normal time. Spirit Week, today is Sports Team Monday. SVSU Cardinals, go Cards. Tomorrow is Twin Day. Wednesday is Hat Day. Thursday, Crazy Hair Day. I can't do much with that. And then Friday, of course, is no school, and you don't have school on Monday for midwinter break, so enjoy that. Pledge of Allegiance. If you guys can stand for the Pledge of Allegiance, no quiz question today because we got to fly. I'm doing these a little bit later than what I normally do. So here we go with the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. One last thing, golden lunch tray. You do a good job keeping your area clean during lunch, we'll reward you with the golden lunch tray. All right, so make sure you guys are doing that. As always, do things the Voyager way, and go Voyagers.